high-profile Lucknow seat. That's also going to polls in the fifth phase today. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is vying for his third term as the MP from that seat. In the upcoming elections, the Samajwadi Party has fielded Lucknow Central MLA Ravidas Mehrotra against Rajnath Singh, while you have the BSP fighting them off. Sarwar Malik, he's the man as a BSP candidate. You had Rajnath Singh, who spoke a little earlier to India Today. Have a listen.
लखनऊ सहित मैं देश के सभी मतदाताओं से ये अपील करना चाहता हूं कि वह आज के दिन अपने परिवार के सभी सदस्यों को साथ लेकर वह मतदान निश्चित रूप से करें। यही हमारी सबसे अपील है। अब देखिए, फैसला तो जनता के हाथों में है, लेकिन हम लोगों का एनडीए का संकल्प 400 प्लस का है।
All right. There you have Rajnath Singh, who spoke about his confidence. He's seeking a third time this time. Of course, Rajnath Singh is known to be a BJP heavyweight. And as we know, at this point, the 14 seats of which the BJP has won about 13 of them. And what we know of Rajnath Singh, he is going to be facing off, if I could take you through his contest here. Rajnath Singh is facing off former State Minister, SP candidate Ravidas Mehrotra, and you have the BSP's Sarwar Malik. So for Rajnath Singh, it appears to be a good fight with only the SP candidate. But overall, looking at the 14 seats that we're seeing in Uttar Pradesh going into polls, 13 of them have been won by the BJP. So the BJP is really hopeful that this phase is going to be bright for them. Let me take you through now BSP's chief and former UP Chief Minister Mayawati, who voted in Lucknow a little earlier. Lucknow is polling today, and with Union Minister and BJP's Rajnath Singh being the face in Lucknow, you have Ravidas Mehrotra, who's the MLA of SP, who's fielded against him, and Sarwar Malik of the BSP. BJP held this seat since 1991, when former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee first won that seat. Here's a quick look at all the high-profile voters who landed up in Lucknow.
इलेक्शन हो रहा है तो ये इस बार हमें ये देखने के लिए मिल रहा है, सुनने के लिए भी मिल रहा है, आम चर्चा है कि जो ये चुनाव, जैसे पूर्व में चुनाव देश और जनहित के मुद्दों को लेके होते थे, लेकिन इस बार देश व जनहित के मुद्दों पर कम चुनाव हो रहा है। आरोप और प्रत्यारोप एक दूसरे पर ज्यादा लगाए जा रहे हैं। ये देश में जनहित में ठीक नहीं है। हर पार्टी अपना दावा करती है, कोई भी हो, चाहे बीजेपी है, कांग्रेस है, सभी पार्टियां दावा करती हैं कि हम सरकार बना रहे हैं, लेकिन जब रिजल्ट आएगा तब मालूम पड़ेगा।
All right, the Kaisarganj Lok Sabha constituency in Uttar Pradesh, one of the state's 80 seats, is polling today as well, with Brij Bhushan's son, Karan Bhushan Singh. His name is currently in the fray. His debut, indeed. In fact, the SP has nominated Bhagat Ram Mishra, the older brother of former BJP MP Dadan Mishra. Have a look.
हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए केसरगंज से वर्तमान में सांसद बृजभूषण शरण सिंह। बृजभूषण जी, आपकी जगह आप करण भूषण शरण सिंह जो है वो चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, आपके बेटे हैं, क्या देखते हैं?
हम तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं कि जो करण भूषण समय सिंह को ऐसे समय पर टिकट दिया कि उनकी उम्र 33 साल है, और जब हम सांसद बने थे तो हम भी 33 साल की उम्र में ही सांसद बने थे, और संयोग ऐसा बना कि 33 साल की उम्र में ही करण भूषण सिंह सांसद बनने जा रहे हैं। तो हम तो इसको ऐसे देखते हैं, करण भूषण सिंह हमारा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ें और हमसे अच्छे नेता के रूप में देवी पाटन मंडल की सेवा करें।
आज तक बृजभूषण शरण सिंह सिर्फ एक चुनाव हारे हैं, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि आप उनसे बेहतर करके देंगे इस चुनाव।
वो मेरे पिता हैं, वो मेरे गुरु, मैं उन्हीं के मार्गदर्शन में चुनाव
Right, Rahul Gautam joining us live from Amethi. Rahul, go on, please give us more on the excitement in Amethi at this point. We've just visited the visuals that came in from Amethi a little earlier. Rahul Gandhi in Raebareli is visiting temples. What's Smriti Irani doing here? And Kishori Lal, how upbeat is his mood and spirit?
Well, it's a battle of prestige between Kishore Lal Sharma and Smriti Irani, and right now I'm at Inter College here in Amethi, wherein people are coming. It's 45 degrees Celsius here, so not many people around at this point of time. But it is expected that in the later part of the day, maybe in evening, we're going to see queues possibly outside these polling booths. You rightly pointed out that it's a battle royale as far as Amethi is concerned, given the fact that Smriti Irani is again on the turf. She has been accusing Gandhi family of ignoring Amethi and Raebareli, clearly saying that Rahul Gandhi was actually scared, and that's why he chose not to contest from Amethi, but from the adjoining seat, that is from Raebareli. As far as Kishore Lal Sharma is concerned, Gandhi family has been projecting him as part of the family itself. They are saying that Kishore Lal Sharma has always been part of the family. He has been here in Amethi since 1999, assisting Gandhi family in election management. Therefore, he's a known face here. He knows in and around as far as Amethi is concerned. But the main issues, if you talk about Amethi, are certainly going to be the local issues here. We've been talking with the voters here, and while Congress party is banking highly upon caste equations, given the fact that there are around 28% OBCs and 20% Muslims. So Congress party is essentially eyeing this particular vote bank. But BJP is saying that that they have created a new vote bank that is of beneficiaries, which actually cuts across all the community and caste lines, and people have got benefit, from this 5 kg ration that was distributed for past, couple of years. People have got houses, toilets, and all these beneficiaries are going to rise above the typical caste politics and going to reward Smriti Irani. It's very important for Smriti Irani as well to win this time again, given the fact that she wants to send out this message that she just not got lucky in 2019. She has worked hard, and now Amethi politically belongs to BJP and to her, and therefore she has been going from one booth to another and been, supervising and monitoring the ongoing election process. Overall, the voting process here has been peaceful, but KL Sharma is pretty confident that this time around, since there is anti-incumbency against government and a local MP, therefore he is going to win this seat for Gandhi family and going to retain the lost glory as far as Gandhis are concerned.